make it worth it, then I gotta go hard. Go hard. Got my city on my back. If you feel me, holla back. I do it for the 250. We hold it up, we down. You know we holding it down. We hold it up, we down. You know we holding it. We hold it up, we down. You know we holding it down. Hold it up, we down. You know we holding it. See, I gotta get that dough. Your money been the motive. Mama told me take it slow, boy. Keep your options open. Now we be all up inside your TV with a couple more beanies while we treat them haters like.
What's up, friends? Welcome back to another video. In case you're new here, what's up? My name is Barry. Today I'm coming at you with another vlog, and I'm in county number 16, I think, Machakos County. I actually really love it here, and let me show you my room. I'm in a hotel. Let me show you guys a room tour. So you come in from here, and there's a window right here. Then you walk in, and there's a TV here, and there's a toilet, of course a shower. I really love the lighting in here. Can you see it? Of course a toilet. There's tissue paper, towels, and there's this soap. Okay, after that you come, I'll show you guys the TV. Then you come right over here. There's a mirror. I've noticed I really love mirrors. There's a mirror right here. There's this chair, and there's the only thing you're provided with. There is a Holy Bible, which thank you for that, and water, but of course you leave them here. And there's a dustbin, and then my favorite part, the bed, and of course a net, charging place. There are hangers right here. So yeah guys, that is my room. I forgot to bring my tripod. I thought people were sharing rooms, so I said if I'm sharing a room, I don't want to vlog, but the room is for me alone, so I will vlog. Woo! Let me change in 3, 2, 1. Let us sit down. I'm here for 4 days. It is a training for a job that I'm going to do. So it is a 4-day training, and then you work, I don't know for how long. Today's on Tuesday. We were supposed to arrive today, and then the training starts tomorrow. So when we came in, they told us there is no food for today. The organization that we will be working for only paid for the food from tomorrow, and the food is so damn expensive. Chicken burger is $5.50 with an accompaniment. Burger is paying from $9.50 with accompaniment. Yeah. So me and my sister decided, let's go eat out. We went and ate out, and it was so bad. The food was so bad. So chukue wachane na weka nyama kando.
Think you can
So that is why I have a banana. I'm going to eat this banana for the night. And I have a soda, but I think that I'll just eat this one and maybe water and call it a night. I'm also tired. I just want to sleep, so that tomorrow the training, I think it starts at 8. So I just want to sleep early and wake up early, fresh mind. Good morning.
then I gotta go hard. Go hard. Got my city on my back. If you feel me, holla back. I do it for the 250. We hold it up, we down. You know we holding it down. We hold it up, we down. You know we holding it. We hold it up, we down. You know we holding it down. Hold it up, we
So guys, at the end of the day, the training is over for today. It is currently around, I think, 4:30, and I've come back to a clean room. I have come back to a clean room, which is so satisfying. Oh, except that place I left. It was so bad for just one night, but they cleaned the bed. Everything is clean, so yes. I want to give you guys a little recap on my day. I woke up late. I left the room so messy, and I thought that I would have time to come and do it, but I came back and it was already done, and I actually felt bad because it was so messy. So I really felt bad for the hotel keeper. So I'm going to make sure tomorrow what is that tap on? What is happening? Could it be haunted? Tomorrow I'm going to make sure I wake up a little bit early so that I leave the room a bit tidy. I don't want to give them so much work, although it's their work. And of course, lunch. Whoa, the food is amazing. It is enough. We are eating good. The only thing is that there's no dinner, but like they will give you money at the end of it. But I'm so full from lunchtime, and I also took tea. So yesterday's soda is what I have. I have bananas also. I went to Naivas. This one, I bought these cakes, and I'm actually regretting it because I don't really like cakes, but I bought them, so I'm going to eat them anyway. In case I feel hungry, right now I'm full. I also bought Colgate because there's no Colgate provided, and I also bought mafuta. I've never tried this one. Let me smell it. Smells nice. I forgot to carry my mafuta, so I bought this small one. Yeah, that is all. And if you're from Machakos, I never knew that they have 2 Naivases. Should I say, let me just sit down and have a chat. I never knew that they have 2 Naivas. If you're from Machakos, please comment down below. And I remember the last time I was here, I was so in love. The last time I was here was in 2014, the first time that I ever came here. I went, should I say hiking? It was an expedition, and like coming here reminds me of that time, and I really miss my friends. Like, oh, I'm crying. Why am I getting emotional? Coming here reminds me of course, when I was in high school, and we were so happy. We were so carefree back then. We were so, I don't know how to call it. We were so just carefree, living life. Oh, I'm tired. The only thing is I miss my friends. Like, now thinking back to it, it's like I'll never have that group of people that I went with in the same room ever again. And I really miss those people. Shout out to Dama. Dama is the only one that I still talk to from that group, I think. I think I'm just emotional because I'm away from my family. I really miss my family. One thing about me is that people who know me in real life, I think also know this, is that I am extremely introverted. In a scale of 1 to 10, I'm maybe 9.5. I'm really extreme introverted. So it is good because I think before I act. I think a lot. I take in a lot. Does it make sense? The good thing about it is that I don't just talk. I must think on something before I talk. And the bad thing about it is there's so much bad about it. One of it is that it is really hard to make friendships. So when you are in a place like this, and I'm not alone, I'm with my sister, but I don't really want to be on her neck. So the bad thing about it is that it is hard to talk to people. My anxiety is like up here. It's really hard to like talk to people, to socialize, to get out of here. I'm used to it's like I'm in a shell, and getting out of it, it's just really difficult. If you have anxiety or you're an extremely introverted person, you'd probably get me. It's like seeing people in groups and people are talking and people are happy, and I can make small talks, but I can't really form a friendship. I can't really get out of my shell, although I'm trying. Yes, I'm going to try. I'm going to make sure that I come out of here with at least one friend, one contact, and I'll let you guys know. So yes, that is there. I think this is the realest I've been on camera. Oh, I want to shower, and I want to unpack my clothes. I actually think I did not carry enough clothes, mostly sweaters. But there are how many days remaining? I think 3 days remaining, so yes.
Una mattina mi sono alzato, oh vela ciao, 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 ciao. Una mattina mi sono alzato e ho trovato il vaso. Oh partigiano, portami via, bella ciao, 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 ciao. Partigiano, portami via, che mi sento di morire.
Quick one, my OOTD. This jacket that you've seen 10 million times. These pants. And those shoes. Yeah, let me go get breakfast. It's 7:30.
Sei un mugno, partigiano, bella ciao, ciao, ciao.
What's up, guys? It is around 9:30. I have just taken a much needed warm shower, and I just want to sleep. Recap of my day. It has actually been a great day. Yesterday I said I'm going to make a friend, which I did, so I'm happy about that. Today I've been more open, I've been more talkative, so I've kind of broken out of my shell. Oh, I'm not lock the door. Back to bed. For dinner I've had soda and a cake again. Like I said, we're given tea at around 4. So this is how we eat. We wake up, go for breakfast at 8. No, at 7. At 7 because we should be in class by 8. At 10, there's the second tea, and it's not just tea with something. And at 1, obviously, there is lunch. And then at 4, there is another chai with escort. So we are eating good. By the time you go to sleep, you are just full. Like right now, I'm really full. We're not given dinner. I think I've said that already. But I'm that type of person who has to eat something even if I'm full. I have to put something in my mouth to say that I've eaten something for dinner. So yes, I've just eaten bananas. The friend I made, we went and bought some bananas outside of the hotel. I have eaten a cake, a banana, and a soda. So yes, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Morning, guys. So this is the situation in this bathroom. This is why I cannot fit into that hole, so the water is just going to the wall direct. And it's wasting water, but that is how you have to shower. Pretty much recycling clothes at this time. So all the clothes I've worn before. I'm about to go down for breakfast, so let's go. forgotten something. We're given these sanitizers, by the way, 2 of these. Back to new beddings. It is all clean and it really smells nice in here. Everything is clean, everything is fresh, it smells really nice. Yes, so it's 5, maybe about to be 6, so let's see what the evening holds for us.
Mutongoi, Wamba Ponde Garaiwe, Nemutongoi, Messai Tingo Shidaiwe, Pamutongoi, Messai Tingo Shidaiwe, Pamutongoi too. Karibu Pamutongoi, Karibu Pamutongoi too. Nanu kwanza wisawa koleta mutongoi Wamba konyo maisha iwe kwanza ne mutongoi Wamba konyo maisha iwe kwanza ne mutongoi La kuisubi ya kolete
Well, good morning guys. Today is the final day and I'm packing because I have to get out of here by I have to be out of here by 10. It is 8:51 a.m. so we still have time. Tunashukia Kabana, sio? Ama tunafika Tao? Let's go.
Nunoti ndoka, ewa mutongoi. Nanunoti ndoka, ewa mutongoi. Wale kwita na shima, nguu ya mutongoi. Wale kwita na shima, nguu ya mutongoi.